Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food from my home to yours. So stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping blocks, I'm going to be making you a Hillshire Farm turkey club sandwich. Alright, and this is what we're going to be using. We got some Smithfield bacon, hickory, and this Hillshire Farm. It's an ultra thin honey roasted turkey, and it's like a dual. So and I have smoked ham in it. Okay, so when I mean dual, that means it has 2 packs. They got the ham and the turkey. All right, that's all that means. All right, so that's what we're gonna be making today. Here's some pepper jack cheese right here. This is some Miracle Whip. This is HELLMAN'S. Now, reason why both of them out there, I was debating which one I want to go with. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go with this one. I'm just letting you guys know you can use either or. All right. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go with this one right here because I want a little sweetness to it. So I'm gonna put this one to the side. All right. You're gonna need some tomatoes, some American cheese. I'm not going to use the onions. I'm just giving you guys an idea, all right? Because everybody in my family don't eat the onions, although sometimes you will see me making some stuff with some onions in it. Right here is some spinach leaves right here. I washed those off and all that good stuff, and they've just been sitting up here. Now this bread right here is like some wheat bread with Parmesan on it, and I got it on sale. And I want to use it before it go bad for 60 cents. Alright? Alright, now, with your bacon, you can do it however you want to do yours. I'm just telling you. It works out better for me when I put it on a pan like this with some parchment paper and some foil. Alright? I'm going to line it up and I'll show you guys how I do that. See you guys in a minute. Stay tuned in. Okay guys, I am back. Now, I got about 11 of these slices of bacon on here. If I could have put more, I would put the whole pack on there. I'm going to take some of this restaurant pepper and sprinkle some of that on there. So if you guys, you ain't got to buy the pepper bacon at the store. You can just take some of this. This is all they're doing. But they just put it around the, just put it all over it, really. This is all, I'm telling you. You don't have to buy pepper bacon when you got some stuff at home. And it tastes amazing. Alright, my bacon, what I'm going to do is put this on 400 and cook that and just keep an eye on it till it get brown. I don't cook mine extra crispy so that you know I like mine to have a little a little give to it. Okay? A little chewy to it. So I don't want to be crunching, you know, on all that extra stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and okay, I'm just going to put that in there now. That's why I can go ahead and cut up this bread, and we're gonna put this in the oven. This is what I do. Try to measure it up, and I come like this. Try to find me a line that I can agree with and stay steady as I cut. That's it. Just like that. See that? So now me, all this extra bread, I don't get down with all that. You know, I've been losing a lot of weight good because I don't like, you know, to be so swole. I told you a long time ago I want to slim slow, not fast. Don't mind that, that's my phone. So, yeah, we just going to gut this out. Let me see if I can take this knife and just kind of like come across it like that to help it out a little bit. See that? Cut this part a little bit. Because I'm going to toast this bad boy. And toast. And toast. and toasted. Yes, we is. What you guys got planned for this year? Comment down below, let me know. I'm trying to do a little bit different stuff this year for you guys. That you guys deserve it. I hope you guys making some of these recipes out there. If you is, let me know. Let me know how yours turned out. If you need some help, let me know also. Alright, all that bread I'm taking out of there. Now I got some spray butter. If you want to use the other butter, you can. I'm just simply toasting. So I'm going to spray this down and just like that. I'm going to take some garlic salt, guys. Sprinkle a little garlic salt, just a hint of it, okay? Just a hint of it. So, this is optional. Got some parsley flakes right here. Give a little fresh taste to it. Now, you can get carried away if you want to. I'm not making an Italian sub or none of that. I'm making Hillshire Farm turkey club sub. Turkey club sub. Alright? So that's what this is going to be. And that's how that looks. Alright? We're going to toast that up. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Here's my toasted bread right here. Here's my bacon. That's how I like my bacon. See how I got a little give to it? If it was, you see that? That's how I like mine. Alright. So first thing first, we're going to go in with us some mayo. Put us some mayo on this bad boy. I think I'm going to use a spoon or something. So I'm going to put some mayo on there. Maybe 2 tablespoons. Taste it all over. All over. Yummy. Okay. Now, if you're going to put onions on it, this would be the time to do it. Like I said, I'm not going to put any on mine. Oh, let me go ahead and get this. Put this to the side. We're going to always build from the top on down, okay? So, we're going to grab us some tomatoes. Since we're playing with it. Alright, we're going to come in with our spinach. If you don't want spinach, you can use lettuce. They've been having too many problems with lettuce lately, so I'm like, no. I'm not going to mess around with it. Alright. Should have good enough right there. Got our bacon. You take the bacon, put it on there. Now you see why I wanted a whole bunch of bacon? I like a lot of bacon on mine. I like some bacon. And if you guys want some turkey bacon, you can use that as well. I want all this filled up, but hey, couldn't fit it all on there, so I'm not going to be crying about it. We'll just try to spread it out. How that look, guys? Look good so far? Put it back on there. Fell off. Alright. Since we got that on there, we're going to go with some cheese. So, if you want to look pretty, some people just turn it like this. And go like that. You can use some cheddar cheese if you wanted to. Like that. Okay, so that is the garbage. Now we're gonna go with our pepper jack. Dump that board on there. Right there. That's about all the cheese that I want on mine. Okay, we're gonna come with our turkey. Put yours on there. Put mine on. I like to fold mine like that. This is a perfect meal for the gang day. Perfect snack, I mean. It would become a meal, though, I'm trying to tell you. Next. Make sure I have one over here. Alright guys, hold on, give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I already put it on one side of it. Just gonna go ahead and put it on the other side. Just like that. The bottom piece, you can put you some more mayo and a little Dijon mustard if you wanted to. I'll see if I can find that. Put your little Dijon on there. Just to give it a little taste to it. Alright, we're going to put this bad boy on top of here. Just like that. Then we'll flip it. See that big bad boy right there? You ain't gonna go wrong with that. I guarantee you. See all that? That's gang day. Let's get it. So guys, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so you can see it. This it right here. Hillshire Farm Turkey Club sandwich or Turkey Club sub from my home to yours. So guys, please like it, share it, and get in this kitchen and start cooking. Okay? And thank you for tuning in to the channel. Tell all your friends and family to tune in to Dogg Kitchen. And yes, of course, hit that bell. Hit that bell for me. Let me know where you guys at. Okay? And do like and share this video with any and everybody. Alright? I appreciate all you guys. This is the sub right here. And I'll see you guys next time in Dogg Kitchen in a minute.